anti-aging skin care routine with 3 simple ingredients to lift, tighten, firm skin. Transform your skin to look years younger. Wrinkles around mouth or under eye. Wrinkles are no more just signs of aging process. They are also signs of pollution, daily skincare regimen, stress levels, bad habits and chemicals present in our ecosystem, and many anti-aging cream bought from market. Hundreds of serious skincare products are commercially available in the market that promise to reverse aging from your wrinkled skin, but are they really effective? Are they value for the amount of money you spend on them each month as wrinkle reducer? The best way to tackle wrinkles on face is to follow an anti-aging skin care routine at home. The best wrinkle treatment should be easily homemade by using some ingredients together to make a skincare mask that best suits your anti-aging treatments to get a wrinkle-free skin by removing lip wrinkles, face wrinkles, skin care lines without having any side effects, either to your skin or to your pocket. This is one of the easiest and quickest homemade best hydrating face mask for dry skin. All of us are obsessed with anti-aging serum and products. The best part of an anti-aging mask is skin moisturizer. So, these natural face masks are great anti-aging moisturizer which repairs damaged tissues and rejuvenates your aging skin. The best skin care for aging skin not only helps to get rid of wrinkles or skin tightening but also keep your skin radiant and beautiful. You can try making these amazingly effective skin care face masks at home. Yes, fight skin aging with kitchen ingredients that make your skin look younger. So, stop opting for expensive treatments and creams and try the following DIY homemade anti-aging face masks that are sure to make your skin better and younger. I always suggest you some simple anti-aging facial tips or wrinkle cure remedies for men and women both. These are the best anti-aging skin care face mask that promotes skin's collagen production, which will minimize fine lines and wrinkles. Wrinkles are the result of lack of moisture and elasticity of the skin. This happens mainly due to aging and some environmental factors. So, these will be the best anti-aging moisturizer for aging skin and wrinkle remover home remedies for your skin. Now would you want to buy cosmetics and anti-wrinkle, anti-aging creams to get rid of them? Always try to follow this natural anti-aging skin care routine. It does not give you instant result but best result comes with time. If you like the video then share it with your friends and let them know the tips for getting the beautiful skin naturally. And don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more tips on natural beauty. Thank you.